Utilizing Siri can be a great way to quickly create reminders. To do this, you don't need to have the Reminders app open, but I'm going to leave it up for these examples so we can see the reminders being added. I'm going to create a new reminder to water the houseplants tomorrow morning. For Siri to know that you want to set a reminder, we need to start with Remind Me or Set a Reminder. So I'll click the Siri button up in the menu bar and speak my reminder. Remind me to water the plants tomorrow at 8 a.m. The reminder's added to my home list because it's set as the default, and it's scheduled for 8 a.m. tomorrow. We can also set up location-based reminders with Siri. I'm going to add one reminding me to buy lawn fertilizer the next time I stop at Home Depot. This time, I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut for Siri, which is holding down both the Command key and spacebar. Remind me to buy lawn fertilizer when I get to Home Depot. Since I didn't state a specific address or a location saved in my contacts, I need to pick out one of the suggestions that Siri comes up with. The first one here is correct, which is the local Home Depot. Click and it's added to the reminder. This reminder is location-based, so I could come in here and adjust that if I needed. We can even create recurring reminders with Siri. I'm going to delete the first Water the Plants reminder and instead make one that occurs weekly. Set a reminder to water the plants every Friday at 8 a.m. As you get more comfortable using Siri, it could very well become the most common way that you utilize to create reminders.